Camp life, baby. It's a blessing to be able to do this with your family, guys. I'm telling you. It's bright and early. We got breakfast going here. Ain't that pretty cool? Cook 18 pancakes at one time. I tell you, man, it makes it real convenient, man. Just want to come on, man, and just say I'm thankful, I'm blessed, and I appreciate all the support, guys. I really do, man. It goes a long way. Thank you, guys, man. It's a lot of hard work that goes in, guys. A lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and a lot of accountability. You cannot lack on those things, guys. Hold yourself accountable. Prioritize your time. Be productive. That's the only way, guys. Only way. ZML. Peace. Living a dream, man. I tell you. I all need to take a vacation sometime. Ain't that right, Mud?
That's right.
That's right, man. And we got another friend of the family over there in the Transcender. Right there. And we out here having a blast, man. And we got two more set of friends out here in the back. 2, 3, 4. We're 5 in a row right here. Cool. Yeah, man. And we're getting ready to head to the water park, guys. All right, we're catching up with the boys now. They're over here picking up the football and basketball. And they got an arcade center here, man. A great place to bring the family, guys. A great place, man. Arcade, bowling alleys here. They have adult swimming areas for the kids. Just a whole enchilada, man. I'm telling you, this place is nice, guys. Been here for a week. We come here once a year, so we'll be coming back here next year as well. So guys, this is when you are at a RV resort. Look at all these amenities included here, guys. Carolina Commons, fitness center, yoga, serenity pool, dining, mini bowling, arcade, mini golf, water park, and family pool. And guess what? There's 3 more of these along this site here, guys. Look at them, they're leaving us. We'll catch up to them. All right. And here we are, guys. Check it out. Oh, about to get us some water, y'all. About to bump in the booger. Oh, there you go. Good shot, boy. Coming back. Kingston.
It's time for the judges.
Man, this is dope, man. Dope. Man.
Hey, man.
Yeah. Enjoying your family, man. Hey, man. Work hard, you gotta play hard, guys. Enjoy your family, guys. Always remember that, man. And what else are you doing it for if you're not doing it for your family, guys? Remember that. For your family, guys. That's what this is all for. Don't be selfish, not for yourself. Do your mail, baby. Peace. So my twin son Ryan said he can do 3 flips underwater. Let's see him go. Hit it, Ryan. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Oh, boy. Good job, buddy. He did 4. Man, got slides everywhere, guys. We're gonna head over here. Excuse us, guys. We're heading over here to the big slides here.
TML. Carolina Pines 2023. Let's go. It's about to come!
That was cool. That was cool.
We do have our top 3. We're gonna make them jump one more time. Wipe the eyes.
Oh, cannonball. Hey! Cannonball.
All right, Moose.
Now this is the cannonball contest.
All on you, buddy.
We got one more
Moose
coming.
got you yesterday. It's time to get him back today.
Cannonball contest.
All right, Caleb. Alright, if I can get you 3 to come sit up here for me. Alright, guys, if you think Mr. Kyle won, make some noise. If you think Moose won, make some noise. If you think Caleb won, make some noise. I think Caleb got you back from yesterday.
We're about to go down the big slide. So we got Zamar and Kingston about to go hit the big slide. Let's see, let's get these guys. Here come Booger and Kingston. Check them out. Good job, guys. I think Booger won, but it was close though. Give me some. Good job, man. Give me some, boo. Good job, man. We got another contest going on here. Let's check these guys out, man.
All right, boss, all on you.
There we go. Woo!
Oh, man.
Check them out, man.
How's your face feel? I know that hurt. All right. You better be able to top that. Y'all came in as a group.
Woo!
That was pretty good. All righty, boss.
Here we go. Face plant.
All right, last but not least, you got it.
So here's another vlogger here who came camping with us. What's up, brother?
What's going on?
So we out here enjoying the life, man. Give your name and your channel, man.
In These RV Streets on YouTube. In These RV Streets.
Hey, man, check him out, man. He's a friend of the families. He's out camping with us, guys.
That's right.
We all vlogging, baby.
What's your channel name now?
ZML, EHC, pressure washing, and tree removal.
Okay, now, y'all know, look at him. Take care of him.
Yeah, man. Come check us out, man. We're down in
Okay.
Aiken, South Carolina. We specialize in pressure washing, the art of soft washing, and tree removal. Peace. ZML.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Take care, brother.
See you later.
All right, guys. Me and Ryder made it back. This is my twin son here. He's the youngest of the bunch. So, Ryder, say what's up.
What's up, YouTube?
So this is our campsite once again. The essentials you gotta have when you come camping, guys. You gotta have some form of outside cooking, guys. So we got the Tahoe 3-eye griddle combo here. You always bring a small portable grill. You gotta have a table to serve your food on. You gotta have an outside fan, guys. That'll help keep the gnats, the flies, and it keep it cool off. You gotta have some comfy chairs for the pops and mom. And you gotta have your essential here, your drinks, guys. All right. So we just want to go through a few things. Me and Rod just made it back. The rest of the family is still at the pool area. And we're about to cook some bacon cheddar burgers, guys. And some Nathan fries. How about that? Gonna get it rolling, right?
Yep.
ZML, baby.
Damn.
Peace.
Peace.
So she can tell a story to the girls back home. She went to the city and got so pretty. She had to get a bitch, she couldn't make it on her own. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes.
With the fellas, let's go. Is there a ball? 5-1. I'm under the post. Y'all play out. Oh!
Oh my God!
Good shot. Good shot. In and out, but you can play. Go ahead. 5-1. Rebound, Kingston. Rebound. Stay there. Stay there. Hands, man. Cut. You give it to me, you go. Right there. My bad, Keith. Defense. I didn't know he was paying attention. My bad. Shot.
Oh, God.
You good? 6-4.
I was going to like 2 times.
Here. I got him. Here. Put on the line. Put on the line. Good rebound, son. Try it again. 6-4. 7-4. All right, we got Booger Man going up on a mini bowling. Let's see what he got.
I'm gonna beat my dad.
He think he's gonna beat me, guys. Oh, you gotta get it out the gutter. So you gotta practice bowling straight, not hard. He think he's gonna beat me. Yeah, try to practice getting it straight. Oh, really? How?
It says on Zach.
You got a bowl straight. There you go, bud. Get him, Mud.
Red, red.
Back to where I've been.
Hey!
You what, baby?
Mississippi boy.
Hey!
Got Mississippi under my boots.
Hey!
Just a Mississippi boy.
Watch him, Mud.
I want to get back in my
Hey!
roots. Let me hear you say.
What they say?
Oh, mom. Big old holiday.
Hey!
My knees is really hurt. Cause I ain't got no big gay. I'll be hurting in the moment. Just the Mississippi boy. I've been working in the field all day.
We're in Florence, South Carolina at Buc-ee's. Check out all the gas pumps, guys. Check it out, guys. Isn't this something? We're just making a pit stop, grabbing something to eat and get on the road, so I'm not gonna get a lot of footage. Check it out, man. Place is humongous. And this is a gas station, guys. Woo. Bakery. Wow, this is a gas station, isn't that something? Wow. This is like rush hour traffic. We are leaving Buc-ee's, guys. Woo, pandemonium in there. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the road. We were driving a line of 4 of us. We're gonna go ahead and hit the road. They're still in there waiting for the restroom and waiting for food. And we only got like an hour and 55-minute drive, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the road. ZML, peace.